Hello everyone. Today I'm just sitting in the truck. I just filled it up, came back home, waiting for all the girls to get in the car because we are going to take you around our beautiful state so you can see some cool places that's here in Washington State. We're also going to go visit Bruce Lee's grave, which I'm super excited about. Everyone knows Bruce Lee, and I think everyone loves Bruce Lee. So we're going to visit his grave along with his son, Brandon, I believe is buried right next to him. And maybe a few other places as well. So thanks you so much for joining us. Let's get started. Down there, that's one of the largest companies. I think them and Airbus are the largest airplane manufacturers in the world, and that's where all the airplanes are made. Pretty much, at least half the planes in the world probably come from right over here. It's kind of cloudy out today. It's misty and rainy, but you might be able to see the Seattle skyline there. The Space Needle's all the way to the left. Kind of hard to see probably because of the weather. We'll be going by both of the stadiums soon. I don't know if you can see it in the distance, but that's two stadiums side by side. One is where the Seattle Mariners baseball team plays, and the one that's closest to us is where the former Super Bowl champions Seattle Seahawks play. Go Hawks! There's a much closer view of the stadium, T-Mobile Park they call it. They're huge. We've got about less than a mile to go now before we turn off and head to, I believe it's called Lakeview Cemetery. As you can see, we always have bad traffic. Downtown Seattle, it doesn't matter what time of day or what day. But we're almost there. We got about half a mile before we can get off the freeway. Buildings are all around. So hopefully you can see that. That's where we're getting off at. It's at 168A. It's called Lakeview Boulevard. And there's a lake way over there. Lake Washington, like 55, I'm sure which lake, but it's a lake. There's the Space Needle in the distance. I hope you can see that. And then all this area. Oh, car's mad. You gotta pass me. And of course, downtown Seattle again. So this area of the water is called the Puget Sound. If this is part of the lake, Puget Sound runs into it. The Puget Sound is the Pacific Ocean that comes into a tributary that's hundreds of miles long, and they call it a sound. So it's Puget Sound. Oh, Maka's barking. We're going up this steep hill. Here we go. Let's go find Bruce. Yee-hoo! And we are here. It's called the Lakeview Cemetery. And let's go see where they laid Bruce Lee to rest. Alright, Silhouette's the only one that wanted to get out of the car with me. My wife's been here before, but Silhouette's never been here. And you can see that Silhouette's dressed like her little Asian outfit she wears. Anime outfit or whatever. So, yeah, there he is. It's nice they have this rail here now. They have a bench here. And there we go. There's gifts left up there. And there's the master, Bruce Lee. November 27th, 1940 to July 20th, 1973. So he was 32 years old. Something like that, yeah. Founder of Jeet Kune Do. Down here. And right next, I can't really read what the bottom is with the rain on it. Here's Brandon Bruce Lee. February 1st, 1965. He died so young. And he was in the movie Crow, if you remember. That's kind of what he was known for. And who is this over here? I'm not sure. Vivian P. Hester, Emery Dixon. I don't know if that had anything to do, but here's a little tree where people lay that. And this is the wife and daughter put this here. It says husband and father, son and brother. You are always with us, Linda and Shannon. I believe that's with them as well. And tradition to leave a gift here. I know someone will probably take this, but you never know. I'll leave this for Bruce. There you go, Bruce. Now you have a little spending money. All right, let's go back and get back in the truck. We'll see what else we see today. Taking off to outer space. Watch it shoot off.
Let's go, Silhouette. Let's go, Silhouette. Talofa!
Talofa! That is so pretty. It comes from way up there on Mount Adams, coming down. Very pretty. I think I'm gonna go get a picture of my older daughter drinking through her life straw. Here she goes. She's in the squat and drink position. Drink up that nature. Drink it. Drink nature. Well, look at it. Is that beautiful or what? We had to wake up my youngest one. She loves water and waterfalls. Please don't fall in the waterfalls.